Unlocking Intimacy, Ageless Passion and Beyond. In a world that often tells us that aging diminishes our desires, we want to challenge that notion. Meet couples who refuse to let age define them, who understand that intimacy extends far beyond the physical. Before we share this valuable information, please take a moment to share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. They have discovered that love can still ignite a flame that burns brighter than ever before. We live in a society that often overlooks the immense potential for vibrant and fulfilling sex as we age. However, we're here to break through those misconceptions and shed light on a new paradigm of passionate connection that knows no boundaries. They see each other's souls, finding comfort in vulnerability and nurturing their emotional connection. They have expanded their definition of sex, understanding that pleasure and intimacy are intertwined. Sex becomes vibrant and rich when the focus shifts from orgasm to the art of shared pleasure and deep connection. These ageless lovers have a capacity to experience intimacy that transcends the physical limitations of their bodies. So let's redefine what it means to age and embrace a love that knows no boundaries or limitations. Unlocking intimacy is not just possible, it becomes a lifelong journey of passion and fulfillment. We hope you found this discussion informative, and we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to MedicareSelfenroll.com, enter your zip code to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area, and then easily self-enroll. Because love, in all its forms, is ageless. It continues to grow and evolve, creating a connection that is truly timeless.